Okay, I've got another job for you. If you're so good at this. We have our Cressida, our 1982 Cressida, beloved by the world. It's been at the Davids farm for 8 years. But it's too hard to fix and it's too rusty. So you got to put it out of its misery. Climb up there. Okay, faster motor, yep. That's good. Oops! The Cressida wins! It killed the dozer! Ha, that car just doesn't want to die!
The Cressida knew what was happening.
Oh my God! We'll have to do take 2.
Yeah.
Female revenge on the Cressida now.
Do I let this go?
Yes, push it forward. Alright, now you'll have to hop off so I can start it again for you. And yep, take off the brakes. Okay, then pull that lever all the way towards you again. That makes it go, and that'll hold it in position for safety till it clicks. There, now you can get off, it won't move. Take 2. Get the job done. Speed the motor up and pull the lever. Oh wait, I have to go. Gotta get her done. Oh well, the Cressida just doesn't want to die. Too bad. Shut her down. All the way. The legacy lives on. She just wouldn't die. Oh well. Better luck next time. Not too bad. Sweet. And the motor's still good. Oh well. Just looks like the trailer hitch and the dozer got caught in it, and that's the problem. Good enough for me. scrap. That's good enough for me.